Hey guys, today we'll start with the new topic on string methods, that is split and join methods. Now, these are very important topic towards string cleaning or data cleaning part. Yeah. So what we'll be looking at is various functions that are lstrip, rstrip, strip, split lines, partition, partition, join, remove prefix, and remove suffix. Yeah. So basically, we can perform a lot of split and join operation within strings using these functions. Yeah. So to perform this, the word itself, you can understand this is used to split and join strings. Yeah, so it is just to perform this kind of operations. Let's start with the first string operation, which is lstrip. Yes. Now lstrip, what it does is this method, as the name suggests. Now we see this strips all the specified characters. Yeah, in a string from the beginning. Yeah, that means from the left of the string. That's why we call it L string. Stands for left. So this particular method strips all the specified character that we specify within the syntax from the beginning or the left of the string. That means the method removes all combination of the specified character leading the string until a different character is found. Yeah. Now, if the specified character to be stripped are not mentioned, the Python lstrip method will remove leading spaces if there are any. So let's see the syntax of it. Yes. So as I said, if the specified character is not available, then it will remove the leading spaces in it. Yeah. The syntax for the same is, let me make it bold. Yeah. So the syntax for it, we have a code, is str.lstrip. Yes. And you need to specify the character. Now that is optional. If you do not specify the characters, which has to be delimited from the left or the beginning of the string, it will remove the spaces at the beginning of the string. So the cache, which is in square bracket, that is where you can supply that what kind of character has to be stripped from the string. Yeah, or trimmed from the string. Okay. Now the return method for this is the copy of the string with the relevant character moved out. Yeah. So let's try some string which we have earlier. Suppose I have this string as string eyes can analyze. Yeah. Where we had 8. Just let me see in a previous examples where we have added some characters on the left or right of the string. No. So what we can do is we can have the string. We'll check. We have eyes can analyze, and I'll add some characters at the start and the end of the string. So I have this string. I had capital X at the start of the string, and I'll add capital X at the end of the string. Yeah. Then I'll print the lstrip thing. So this is, I'll say str1.lstrip. So str1 is my string. That is our syntax. And lstrip, which character I want to strip is the X. Yeah. So let's see what is the output of the string. You will see to it that all the X's on the left of the string would be automatically stripped. Yeah. Whereas on the right of the string, it will remain as it is. Yeah. So if we create a string with unnecessary leading character, the method will strip all the leading characters. Yeah. So you see this, The leading characters have been stripped, where on the right hand side there are excess are not stripped at all. Okay. Now suppose if I didn't had any characters at the start of the string. Okay. Instead of X's, I had spaces. Yeah. Okay. So it will strip the spaces, and it has the same. If I do not specify any character, I remove this. Yeah. Or if I specify as a space as a character. Yeah. Both of the both of this function, this particular function as well as this particular function does the same thing. So as I said earlier in my theory, that if the specified character or 8 is not available in the string, then it will strip of the default, which is space. Yeah. So if you see there are spaces, yeah, since I have not specified anything, it should remain the same as we have specified with spaces. So the output is the same, whether you specify a space or if you don't specify a space, because by default, the character that it will remove is a space. Yeah. So if, let me specify here, if there are no characters specified, then space will be removed from the left of the string. Okay, so it will remove all the white spaces that are available at the start of the string. Okay. Now, if we pass a letter for the input string, then only the leading case based characters would be removed. So for an example, if I have, we can see there are a lot of A's in between this I scan analyze. So let's use this only. So this particular thing, this will show that only the letter at the start of the string will be stripped unless it finds it finds some other letter. Yeah. So if you see in I scan analyze, we have a lot of A's, or we have a lot of E. Yeah. Now I want to remove the smaller E. Okay, and I specify here instead of X, I specify as small e. You'll find as soon as I reach the capital E, it will stop removing the E's from the string. So let's do this. Let's try to find out what happens in this case where I'm removing small e from the string. You see this? It has stopped at the capital E, even though it is E, but it is in capital, wherein I have specified the smaller E alphabet. Yeah. So it is case sensitive. So whatever character that you specify will be removed from the left of the string unless and until it encounters some other character or other case of the same character. And later on, it will not remove. So there are other E's as well inside I scan analyze, which has not been removed. Okay. So you need to remember that it will only remove the leading characters. Yeah. So I guess this is enough for left strip. I hope you understood how left strip work, and you can help use it to clean your data with unwanted characters from the left of the string. We'll see the right how we do the same for right of the string in our next video.